Hey you guys, what's up? It's Derica and welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. So on today's video, we're going to jump right in. So by the title, as you guys can tell, I'm going to be doing an updated eczema hair care breakdown. A lot of you guys have been commenting on my older videos and asking questions on eczema. So I thought it would be a good idea to bring you guys a new updated routine that I do in my daughter's hair. Now, since I made those videos, it's been a few years. My daughter was 3 at the time. She is now 6, almost 7. So yeah, so we have been going strong with the same routine and there is so much growth and improvement. So if you guys want to know what I did to get her hair to this length and health, stay tuned. And also I'm going to be doing a whole eczema series, doing different breakdowns on eczema. So if you guys want to keep up with that, be sure to subscribe, okay? So yeah. So a little backstory, Parker, which is my daughter, so she had eczema on her scalp. And I still do treat her hair as if she still does because I do not want to complicate things and start over with the whole disaster when she had eczema like severe. Like it was so bad and heartbreaking and it was just hard to see my child go through that, okay? And during the time she was scratched until she bled. Like her scalp was inflamed. It was just a hot mess. I was using so many different products on her hair and none of the things helped. They only made them worse. So I decided to take things back to the basics and do things basic, and that really worked for her hair. So step number 1, what we do is that I make sure that I wash her hair at least once a week to a week and a half. And I used to wash it twice a week and religiously once a week. Like I was on it, like every weekend I was washing her hair because I wanted to make sure her scalp was clean and I wanted to make sure she was comfortable when she slept and she was not scratching or irritating her scalp any worse. So tip number 1 is to make sure that you are actually properly cleansing your scalp with a shampoo. Okay, so that's what we do once a week. That is key to hair growth and a healthy healthy scalp in general, is to make sure you're properly shampooing your hair. And this is what we use. I still use the Aveeno. Like the Aveeno is my baby, my ride or die. I will always use it in her hair. I don't care how old she gets, but that is what I use to shampoo her hair. And I also use another shampoo after I use that. The reason being is that the Aveeno can be very drying to her hair strands. So in order for me to bring back some moisture, I use Shea Moisture's moisture retention shampoo. I use that on her scalp, the length of her hair, to bring back some moisture. And her hair loves it. She has not had any irritation, any new eczema or anything pop up since I've been using it, and it's been almost a year, y'all. So that has been really working for us. So I make sure I shampoo her hair once a week, no longer than 2 weeks. I don't let it go that long, okay? Okay, so once I shampoo her hair, I do use the conditioner that goes with this shampoo. It's the Shea Moisture Restorative Conditioner. I do that because I'm still trying to bring moisture back into her hair. So I do that only on her hair strands. I do not get conditioner on her scalp, and I'm working it down the length of her hair. And once that is done, I rinse and then I go in with a deep conditioner, depending on if she needs it. So depending on if she needs it. So the deep conditioner that we use is the Shea Moisture, I'm gonna just put a picture on the side, deep treatment mask. I use that and I've been using that for a year and her hair loves it. We have not had any problems. And no, this video is not sponsored by Shea Moisture. I just happen to like their products. Those are the only products that I use in her hair. Like I have not tried any product that advertises eczema because 9 times out of 10 it's filled with fragrances and things that eczema does not like. For example, eczema does not like coconut oil. I do know this from experience. When I was using coconut oil on her scalp, on her body, it was a nightmare. It's like the eczema just doubled up on us, and I had to stop that real quick because that was a nightmare. Her hair hates coconut oil. And yeah, so that's what we do. Keep it very simple. Now that's the whole wash day breakdown. Now we're going to be moving on to styling. Now when it comes to styling Parker's hair, I only use my DIY Shea Butter mix, which I do have it linked up here. It only consists of 2 ingredients which her hair loves: shea butter and olive oil. Those are the 2 things that we stick to when it comes to her hair. I do not incorporate any other thing to her hair because remember, we're trying to keep the eczema happy and under control, which this has worked. So I use that to style her hair on damp hair, and I just twist and twist it, or I may do a cute little style, or she may have a protective style with her real hair. And I keep it very simple because she is a little girl and I want her to stay that way, so I do not over manipulate her hair. So that is key, keeping things very simple. And now that we got the now that I got the hair like styling out the way, for bedtime, I do put a bonnet on her hair. Now, if you guys can remember, I used to not put a bonnet on her hair because at the time I wanted her scalp to breathe. So I was not trying to cause any overheating in her scalp and causing her to scratch. So since we have been doing these things, Parker does not scratch. She does not have any flare-ups. Everything looks amazing in her hair, y'all. Her hair has grown so much. Like if you look at a picture from right here to right here, you'll be like, oh my God, like what you're doing is really working. I keep it very simple. Now here's a little advice when it comes to shopping around for products for your hair or your child's hair, is to read the ingredients, y'all. Like that is the most important thing. You're gonna want to get something that is lightly scented, that does not have a lot of perfumes in it and fragrances in it, because that will irritate the scalp. That's not what we want. It would definitely irritate it when it comes to eczema. So you're going to want to keep it simple. Colada oatmeal. If you see a product that has colada oatmeal in it, you're in the building, because that really does soothe and help eczema. Now also, you're not going to want to keep trying products over and over because you feel like they're not working as fast as you want them to. So my advice is to give them time to actually work, and then if they don't work in a couple of months, then you switch it up. Just give it time to work. That's the biggest thing. So that's basically it for this video. You guys are gonna want to keep it simple, just like we do over here. Her hair is growing, it's flourishing, and I really do enjoy caring for my daughters. So let me know in the comments below if you guys have any more comments below about eczema, and I will answer all of them. And one thing I want to mention, I do not use any gels in our hair or nothing like that. We just use water in a Shea Butter mix, and occasionally I use the extra moisture detangler sometimes, but not all the time, because it really does moisturize the hair. So that's what we do. I do not use any leave-ins or anything like that. I just use those 2 things in her hair, and that's it, and she loves it. That's basically it. And 9 times out of 10, if y'all see products that say it's for eczema and all this other stuff, 9 times out of 10, it's just a marketing ploy, because it will only make the eczema worse. Now, if you guys want to know how I care for my dry, itchy scalp and the eczema, I do have a video where I use a shampoo on my hair, which I love it. I've been using it for a year and my hair loves it, and my eczema is actually gone on my edges. Like I don't have any eczema no more, like it's gone. So anyway, so that's it for this video. I feel like I covered everything. Let me know if I missed anything in the comments below, and if I did, I would just hop back in and talk to you guys. So that is the eczema breakdown of her hair. Now as far as re-moisturizing during the week, I do not have to, because her hair is pretty much moisturized, because I do wet her hair, spritz it with water every day, and put the shea butter around her hair to brush it up in a ponytail or style her hair. So her hair is pretty much moisturized for the most part. If I do need to add on moisture, it's probably like once a week, if that, after I style it. So yeah. So I think I covered everything. Let me know if you guys have any comments below, and be on the lookout for the other videos I'm going to be bringing to you guys about eczema. So that's it for this video. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah, share these videos because we have a lot of people out here that's suffering from eczema, and I would love to help. I get so many comments on these videos about eczema, and I just love explaining back to you guys and knowing that I'm helping people with their hair. And yeah, so if you guys want to see a picture progression of her hair, please let me know in the comments below, because you're gonna see like a huge difference. Okay, so that's it for this video. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you on my next one.